Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tip. Health insurance is a very important aspect today. In fact, the topmost priority today, especially after COVID. But health insurance for special need kid, for any parent, it was a daunting task. In fact, was not available before 2020. Disabilities were permanently excluded. Few companies came out with product with certain features, but was not good enough. Though we have a government scheme, Nirmaya health insurance, but that is not adequate enough to give a adequate coverage for special need child. Things changed in 2020. There were few court rulings after which IRDA mandated all general insurance companies to cover mental illness and other disabilities. So there was a change in Mental Health Act and mental illness got covered under health insurance. Today, all insurance companies are covering treatment of mental illness under health insurance schemes. For other disabilities, IRDA mandated in 2020, after that in 2021 and 22, and 2023 made it mandatory for health insurance companies to come out with a product for persons with disabilities. After that, we are seeing now companies like National Insurance, New India Insurance, United India Insurance, even Star Health, and few other companies have come out with a product to cover person with disabilities under health insurance. It's a standard product where you will find a coverage of 4 lakh and 5 lakh with features like sublimits. So there is a capping on room rent, consultation charges, and other aspects on certain illnesses, certain injuries. You will certain surgeries, you will find a capping from the insurance company under this product. Also, there is a co-payment clause. That means 20% you have to bear from your own pocket whenever any claims come. If you want to avoid this co-payment, then probably you have to pay a bit higher premium. So that's the basic feature of this standard product. But it's only hospitalization coverage. No coverage for regular expenses like therapies. The premiums varies across different companies. In fact, you will find some companies with a higher premium, some companies with a reasonable premium. So this is a kind of a standard product which has been launched in the industry by general insurance companies to cover person with disabilities. Companies who have not come out with this product are still covering person with disabilities under their basic health plan, but you may have to pay a higher premium. Probably companies are putting a loading for the disability. Also, if any child has an existing disability, it is being treated as a pre-existing disease. We call it PED. So all pre-existing disease, disability is not a disease, but under PED coverage, it is being considered, which means there is a waiting period of 2 years or 3 years before you can claim from the product. So that's a standard features on health insurance product for person with disabilities. Thank you and see you in the next 2-minute tip.